So when we're browsing around in your Facebook, you will either see a post from your friend or you will see an ad suggestion from Facebook. And to get the differences between a post from a page you already liked or from follower of some of your followers like your friends and between an ad from Facebook is this little sponsored right here. So I'm going to visit this page. And as you can see, guys, I never like this page or follow this page, but yet they are showing me some of their posts in my Facebook. So they paid Facebook to show me this ad. They paid their money to show me these ads. So I'm going to visit their website right here. And I can tell from the very first look of this page that it's a Shopify store, I guess. This is maybe a Shopify store. So let's get down. And it doesn't say powered by Shopify. So to know if it's a Shopify store or not, just put the mouse in an empty space and right click and then choose view page source. So as you can see right here, it says shopify.com. So this one, this site, it's a Shopify store. And in this course, we're going to learn how to make an ad just like this ad right here with this button that it says shop now. If you click, it's going to take you to the product page, to your Shopify store, and with the 50% off now and all of this paragraph right here, this small sentence that it says cut your cleaning time and wash and dry your floor, depends on the product that we're going to advertise.